fresh vegetables!
Here comes Gopi to have fun with the vegetable blender.
Yes, my dear, what would you like to have? Hey, take it easy, Gopi!
Oh, calm down, Gopi. Why are you running after me? Leave me alone.
Saved by a whisker.
Let's see what all is available today.
Red tomatoes, rosy carrots, leafy green spinach, and all-purple brinjals. I have everything here, Amma, except me.
Oh, what are you doing on the tree?
It's not by choice, Amma. Gopi chased me up the tree. He forced me to climb it.
No, Gopi.
Amma, cunning fruit.
This is a jackfruit.
Cunning fruit.
Jackfruit.
Cunning fruit. Jackfruit. Cunning fruit. Jackfruit.
Come on, stop it, both of you. This is a jackfruit and a cunning fruit. That is a cunning jackfruit. Are you both happy now?
Jackfruit is a fruit, not a vegetable. How can it be two things at once?
It is possible, Uncle. You will come to know once you hear the story of the cunning jackfruit.
The cunning jackfruit? Amma, now I'm really curious. You have to tell us this story now. Please tell me this story.
We want to listen to the story too, Amma. Wow, Amma. It feels so good, Amma. Huh? Amma, firefly. Huh?
That is not a firefly, but a Sirius star, which is also known as dog star, you know?
Amma, how do you know about the stars?
Because Amma knows everything. Isn't it, Amma?
That's not true. I won't say that. Or else my situation will be similar to King Vidyadhar's.
Amma, I don't want to play with Babu anymore.
Me neither.
Who says I want to play either?
Well, that's strange. What happened to you, my dear little children? Why don't you want to play together today?
Babu keeps going on and on about everything. He claims he can score 200 goals in a minute. 200? When did I say that?
Oh, you said that in 1 minute you can score as many goals as we tell you to, didn't you?
Really? Since when does that mean 200? It's your calculation that's wrong.
But you started it, right?
Oh, this is exactly how misunderstandings happen.
Amma!
Huh?
Come quickly, Amma!
What happened? I'm coming.
Amma! My stomach is really hurting badly.
Oh?
Just 2 minutes, Chitra. My homemade remedy is almost ready. It'll cure your stomach in seconds. Huh? What is this? Rotten vegetables?
These aren't rotten, Amma. Just cheaper.
I don't know how cheap they are, but I can definitely smell stinginess in these. Yeah. In order to save some money, you have begun thinking like Udanka. I'm really scared. You might face the same fate as he did.
Who's Udanka? And what fate, Amma?
Huh? Really? Is it the effect of Amma's remedy or are you feeling better after Amma scolded me?
Amma's remedy will show its effect in a while. But people here start feeling better just by listening to her wonderful stories.
What are you doing?
Yay!
That's enough. Stop now, children.
What is this, Amma?
It's rice, which you eat every day.
But it is available in packets at the shop.
In packets?
They reach those shops from the rice fields owned by farmers.
That means farmers play a very important role in feeding us. Then why are they so poor, Amma?
Not everyone is like that. Some of them, like Kaveri, use their wit and very cleverly escape their poverty.
Huh? Who is Kaveri, Amma?
Here, my work is finished. The house looks so empty without my kids around. Now it's almost noon, but it seems that the kids are still tired because of yesterday's picnic. Come on, wake up, kids!
We are already awake, Amma. I had a dream last night that all of us went on a picnic to a beautiful hillside and we had even more fun than we did yesterday.
Look at that. My dear children are done dreaming. But when will they get out of their bed? Come on, kids. Freshen up quickly. I'll keep the breakfast ready.
Wow!
I am really hungry, but I don't feel like getting up. I'm so tired.
Very well. I'm going to cook something really special for breakfast today.
We will get ready quickly.
I can smell Amma's tasty dosas. Oh no, this is not fair. What if the dosas get over? No. I don't want to miss Amma's dosa and her stories. Now I should go and get ready quickly before it's too late.
Look who is here.
I know my kids very well.